For those lessons in your textbook, they call it the language of polynomials, but it's stuff that we've done before last year, so it's just a reminder about what it is. So let's look at some examples. So examples. So if we've got our polynomial p of x, and that's equal x to the 4 minus 3x squared, minus 2, for example, or 3x cubed, I should say there. Cubed, take 2. Then something like, if we want to find p of 1, that's all that means is replacing the x here and here by the number 1. So when we do that, you get 1 to the power of 4 minus 3 times 1 cubed minus 2. Which is simply just 1 minus 3 minus 2, which is negative 4 in the end. Alright, and so you can do that with any number that you like. We can do things where we're given some information and we need to find something. So say, for example, p of x, for example, is 2x to the 4 plus minus x cubed plus 2cx plus 6, and p of 1 equals 21. Alright, so clearly we've got to find this c here. That's what we're after. So we need to substitute p of 1. So p of 1, which is 21, equals 2 times 1 to the 4 minus 1 cubed plus 2 times c times 1 plus 6. Alright, so 21 then I think will be 2c plus 7. Take 7, divide by 2, and you get c equals 7. Alright, and you may have questions where there's two unknowns and you would need to be then given two values of if there was two unknowns, you'd need two lots of these, and then you set up some equations and solve simultaneously. Alright, now we can also add polynomials, subtract, multiply them. Alright, so here's an example, for example. So we've got, say, p of x equal to x cubed minus 6x plus 3, and q of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 1. And then, we can add them, subtract them, multiply them. So let's say, for example, we want p of x minus q of x. So that's simply x cubed minus 6x plus 3. And from that we're taking away, and I'll put a bracket around it to remind us that we're taking away all of this, because all of this is q. So we've got x cubed, no other x cubed, so there's an x cubed. There's minus x squared. there's minus 6x here, and then we're minusing negative 3x. So negative and negatives are positive. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3x. And then we've finally got 3 minus 1, which is plus 2. Alright, so, and you can multiply them as well. It's just a little bit more work, but just your usual FOIL kind of thing. Alright, now also we can look at coefficients and see whether or not, well, we might even get where we're told something is equal to something else, a couple of different polynomials, and then we would do what we would call equate the coefficients. So let's have a look at an example of what we might mean by that. So for example, if x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 8 is equal to a times x plus 1 cubed plus b, and we want to find a and b. Alright, so first thing we need to do is the one on the right hand side there. We need to expand that. So let's have a look at that first of all. When we equate the coefficients, we look at each of the terms, the cube, the squared, etc., and we equate the coefficients in each of these sides of these polynomials. So because the one on the right there is not expanded, then we need to expand it so that we can do that. So when we expand that, it's a, and if you do this one here, you'll get x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. You can do that by hand, or you can do it on your calculator, expand. And so then when we put this, we get a x cubed plus 3ax squared plus 3ax plus a plus b. And so now, as we say, we're equating the coefficients. So if we're equating the coefficients, what we know is these have got to be the same. So really, straight away, that already tells us, and it's not only just those that have got to be the same, but all the other have got to be the same. So already that one tells us that a is equal to 1. Now we can check that. That's got to be 3a, 3 times 1, that works out. 3a, 3 times 1, that works out. Now the other one is the number on the end. So a plus b has got to equal 8. But since we know that a is 1, that means that b has got to be 7. Alright, so that's what we call equating coefficients. We equate the coefficients of each of the different terms, the x cubed term, the x squared term, and so on. So we equate all of those, and from that find out what those unknown values are. Alright, so that's it for today's. That's, sorry, exercise, a bit vague here. Exercise 4C. All right, so we've got exercise 4C stuff on your work plan. And we only got the first session because I think second session you're in talent quest.